Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the lowercase w from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a pointed V shape up and back down at the top here. Then from the bottoms, let's draw an angled line up on both sides. Now let's bring it out on the right, and the same on the left. Then from the sides, let's curve it down and in. And now from each side, let's curve it back up towards the center, forming a point. And that's it for the shape of the letter W. Now let's move in and draw the eyes. Let's start in the middle here, and let's draw a rounded square shape on an angle. And then behind it, on the bottom right, let's draw another smaller one. Next, inside, let's draw angled lines across the center. And then underneath, let's draw a bent line for the pupil. And lastly, for the eyes, let's draw two curved lines on the outside for the eyelashes. And now let's move over on the left side and draw the next eye. On the top left, overlapping the edge, let's draw a larger angled square in the same way. And now let's hop over to the very right side and do the same thing, but angled upwards. And next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside each of these eyes. Next, inside each of these eyes, let's draw a curve across, like this. And then underneath, a bent line. And lastly, two eyelashes on the outside. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the mouths. Let's start between the eyes on the left side here, and let's draw a curve up and down. And then connect them at the bottom. Now inside, let's draw two vertical lines. And then color the middle section in black. Now let's hop over to the right and draw the other mouth. We'll start with an angle up and curve it down. and then close off the bottom. Now inside on the left, let's draw a curve down. And then let's color the right section in black. And that's it for lowercase w. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!